So on this, let me get to the first problem here. So on the first problem, if we are asked, and what we're asked to do on all of these, we're not solving, we're just going to define two variables and we're going to set up two equations. And then we're not solving, just writing them. So the school spent $4,650 last year to purchase 100 calculators. Some were graphing calculators that cost $105 each, but the rest were scientific calculators that cost only $15 each. How many of each kind were purchased? So I am just going to set up an equation. Okay, define my variables first. So for this, I'm going to let G equal number of graphing calculators. And I'm going to let S equal number of scientific calculators. And then I need to write two equations. So one equation that I'm going to write is going to be one dealing with the total amount of money we spent, and one's going to deal with the total number of calculators we bought. So let's say I deal with the ones where I have 100 calculators. So I'm going to have something equal 100. And the equation is going to be G for the number of graphing calculators plus S, which is the number of scientific calculators, has to equal 100. And then I'm going to deal with one for money. Now, a lot of times people want to just go G plus S equals 4,650, but you can't do that because that's counting them, and that would just be 100. We want to know the cost, which is money. So each of my graphing calculators costs 105. So I'm going to go 105 times G. G is how many graphing calculators we bought, plus the scientifics cost 15, so 15 times S equals 100. And that's what we're doing on all of them, defining two variables and writing two equations we are not solving.